About what I'm going to do with these logs once I get them delimbed. Might be able to use them for beams or poles or something for repairing sheds around the farm. So the tools I'm using today is my little trusty Craftsman chainsaw. I've got some bar oil for it. It's about empty. It's got maybe enough for another cutting in it. Got an extra bar oil, and I'm using this 50-to-1. It calls for 40-to-1 mix, but I just find it runs much better with the 50-to-1. I think the 40-to-1's got a little bit too much oil in it. Other thing you want to check is check this bar oil. And right now we're good. We got plenty of bar oil. And the other thing is the gas. And we're good with that too. So I filled it up after my last use about a week ago. So hopefully it starts up and doesn't give us any trouble. I'm just going to follow the instructions here. It works pretty good if you do that. It says push that up to 10 times. I can tell it's already good. Pull that back out. Do this 3 times. Sorry, 4 to 5 times. Push that back in and then do it 3 to 5 times again. Helps if you turn it on. So that's it. Now's a good time to tell you, don't do anything the way that I do it. I'm going to get hurt. Probably going to end up chopping something off, especially with this saw. You just follow the instructions, read the user manual. Don't do it like me. Okay, yeah, it worked.